Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting proof. If you're enrolled, use a current student ID or enrollment letter. Many services accept a Edu email instead. Once gathered, check whether the discount applies online, in-store, or both, because methods differ. Make sure to note expiration dates or quantity limits so you don't lose the benefit. You want these items ready before checkout to avoid delays. Having screenshots or PDF speeds verification and prevents last-minute hiccups. Next, apply the discount where you buy. For online purchases, go to the retailer's student discount portal or partner verification service, sign in with your Edu account, or upload required documents. If a code is issued, copy it exactly and paste at checkout. If the site applies the discount automatically, confirm the savings before payment. In store, hand the cashier your ID and enrollment proof and request the student price. Be polite but firm. If verification fails, try the alternate document method immediately. Finally, confirm the discounted price on your final invoice and complete the payment. Save the receipt and any confirmation emails or screenshots. You may need them for refunds or price disputes. If the discount doesn't apply, retry the verification steps, clear your browser cache, or try a different device. Sometimes the portal refreshes. If problems persist, contact customer support or ask the store manager to manually apply the discount. Explain you verified eligibility. A single troubleshooting tip: keep copies of all proof to speed any appeal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.